my channel. It's me, Oregon Zan, and I have my best friend Teresa here.
Hello.
Visiting from California. And we thought it would be super fun to make a craft together. Recently I was watching Brandy on making it my own DIY, and she made some super cute little teacup flower arrangements, and I sent the video over to Teresa and she thought they were cute.
Very cute.
So what we decided to do is we went to Goodwill. And we each bought a little teacup.
Different style.
Yeah, mine's kind of more old-fashioned-y. And then we went to the dollar, wait, where did we get the flowers? No, Joann's Fabrics, and we got some flowers. And then we went to the Dollar Tree and got some other little things such as the foam, 2 different types of foam, floral foam that we can use, some skewers, and some little embellishments for the arrangement. So we'll put them on the skewers there, make little picks. We got ribbon. And so, yeah, we're just going to sit here and try and create something really pretty for spring. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our floral foam and we're going to put it into our mugs. So Teresa, here's one for you. So we're going to trim them down to fit. So I'm just going to go for corners.
I'm sticking these pieces down in here because I need to fiddle with them. Oop. Sorry.
Okay.
Oop. Sorry.
Get it down in there, so that's perfect.
And we wouldn't be able to sell our masterpiece for $100 if we had $1.99 good.
That's right. They would know.
All right.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our flower picks and decide how we want them arranged into the mug, and then just kind of snip them down until they fit just the way we want them. What do you think, Teresa?
Yeah, I think I'm going to plan this out a little bit. Is that how I have it? Let me see.
Yes. It's fun to see the flowers that we picked out and how, you know,
Different our tastes are.
yeah.
You've always been vintage,
I have.
gearing towards vintage. I'm just eclectic. I have a little bit of this and that.
Yeah. Teresa and I have been friends since we were
6th grade, 12.
12. And so, yeah, we've gone through all the years together.
Dating, marriage. We only been married one time each. Babies.
Oh yeah.
Our kids growing up and getting married and they're having babies.
Yep.
A trip.
We did it all.
What's really true is because we still have the mind of a 12-year-old boy. So we're so immature. Can't possibly have kids that are adults.
We're fun.
You're fun. I think so.
Okay, I put my lower flowers in down a little farther down so that it's just not so intrusive and big.
Come on, get down there. Ooh, kind of like that.
So let's show how they're looking so far. Put it up to the camera. Pretty cute. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're going to decorate them up with our little, well, actually, Do you want to do your lace first, your ribbon, or do you want to do the picks?
I think I'll do the picks first.
Okay.
I need a drink real quick. Just kidding. That's our little
no alcohol when
no.
we're creating.
You're no fun. I want you kicked off of YouTube for inappropriate conduct. Oh, that's cute. But I'm wondering if I should go a little.
Oh my goodness!
A little lighter. Will it thin that out?
Make sure you show the camera. That'd be good. You really should do the stick too.
Yeah. Let me do my bennies. I think I'm gonna. 3's a good number.
I need to work on something else.
Okay. Work on your bow.
Okay.
Do you want me to paint your stick for you while I'm at it?
Sure.
So how many do you want?
3.
3. I haven't been having any sugar. It kind of looks like chocolate.
Oh man. We've been on kind of a health journey.
Trying.
Well, not kind of. We've been on a health journey.
Yeah, we've been doing really good since my visit because usually we just kind of go out and just eat what we want. But you know, and go have.
I'm trying to eat low sugar, and she's trying to eat low fat. So then when we combine it, we're not getting anything at all.
They're
Jello.
high in carbs, low in fat, or high in fat, low in carbs. So it's kind of compromising.
We've been eating soups.
Oh yeah.
If you haven't seen my soup video we posted last night, you should go check it out because it's a delicious tortilla soup. It's healthy for both of us.
Tonight we're going to make a butternut squash soup. It's super good.
And we'll film that.
Okay, check that one out. Okay.
Okay.
You need your bunnies?
Yeah. I need to do my bunnies now.
I'm gonna kind of remove our shot glass here. 50 cents at the Goodwill.
We're bargain shoppers, Tracy.
Are.
We're such bargain shoppers.
I kind of like that. I kind of want to do a doopity doop with the stick.
That's what I was thinking, a doobity doo.
Copycat.
I'm not copy. I was thinking of that.
Yeah, do a little doopy doop and stick some ribbon in there too.
That's what your mother would do.
My mom would do that.
Her mom's the crafty lady.
Yeah, God rest her soul.
Yes. She was definitely a crafty lady.
She was. I wonder if I should just put bows in there. No, I like the little doopty doops.
Yeah. You know, I don't know what they're called, but we need those.
Scallions? No, I don't know.
Scallions?
That's not like a fancy name.
Yeah. Scallop? You're thinking
Scallops! Scallions! What the heck?
those are onions, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
This is literally, well, I can't say for sure actually, but I'm real close to getting my craft room. We won't be working at the kitchen table for very long.
Nice.
It's all built, but I just need to set it up. And it's gonna be fun.
I'm gonna make it a little cattywampus, I think. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do.
We got lots of words.
This isn't working. Oh, wait, there.
Ooh, fancy.
I think that might work. I don't know. It might look cheesy. I'll have to take it off. That's okay. I can try it.
Okay.
Are these Dollar Tree scissors? No. You should have. Test it out. Okay.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
I think my other will be better, but I think if there's a little bit of lace in
I
there.
like that.
Just a little
Little something, something.
little something. coming up.
Yeah. Do we like birthdays anymore?
They're all right. Don't want to claim them anymore.
When I have my craft room, we won't have to share scissors. or anything.
Right, we want to run and grab anything. It'll all be there.
And I'll
be so
have
nice.
everything I need.
Kind of how I want to go?
I don't know. Oh, you mean the bow?
The bow.
You could do it. Yeah, that's cute.
Kind of floppy.
I like it.
Just kind of lay. Okay, I'm gonna go with it.
Go with it.
I'm gonna go. I like the brown bunnies.
I do too.
Oh,
Okay. It's kind of, I'm feeling this now. Are you feeling yours?
I am.
Let's see.
Cute.
Stop that.
Yeah, the back. This is a 360
Oh
view.
yeah.
Although we could go get some more flowers and throw them in the back.
But but there are arrangements that are just on the front.
Yeah, well, I like it. I like it just like this.
Yeah. Very fun. Okay, now you guys have to choose which one. I'm just
They're just so different. Yours is really vintage looking.
Yeah.
And mine is more, I don't know, springtime Hobby Lobby bloom.
Okay. Yeah.
A little more modern, I guess. It's not really a teacup, it's more like a coffee mug. I did.
Hope you enjoyed watching us make these arrangements, and I will put Brandy making it on your own DIYs channel. I will link it in the description if you want to go check her out. She does some really cute things. I told her she's my very favorite new crafter.
Thank you, Brandy.
So thanks for watching, friends, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Oh, this is a messy one. White or brown? I like yours better. Stop it. This is where you speed the film.
These glue guns are getting me hot flashes.
It's hot. Oh, I just kicked the ribbon under the table.
Teresa,
I'm sorry.
okay, so we need to take the Goodwill stickers off the bottom. No, nothing wrong with Goodwill, but you know what I mean.
This is where you speed it up.